We are here today in Cabalen, Eastwood. First time namin dito. Masayang pagbati mula sa kanila at ang masasarap na pagkaing Pinoy na talaga namang binabalik-balikan namin dito sa Cabalen. Marami ang choices at talaga namang masarap. Thank you, guys! 2 weeks pa ang birthday ni Christina, pero we wanted to surprise her and make her happy today. Kaya enjoy life, be kind, and love the people around you.